Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about the map view, how we can integrate the map view into the SwiftUI, and I will also tell you how we can track the user live location from the map view. So let's begin with this tutorial and understand the scenario of the map view into the SwiftUI. As you can see into the above application, here I am showing the user current location. If I convert this user current location to the any freeway drive, then you can see it will move from one location to another location and it will start moving. Here you can see it's moving, and map will also move as the location will move from the user side. So we will achieve all these functionality into the SwiftUI, and we will understand how we can achieve that. So at the very first I will create one fresh project. The fresh project name is MapView SwiftUI. Here you can see the interface is SwiftUI and the language selected is Swift, and lifecycle is, we can take this SwiftUI app lifecycle. Okay, after that click on next and click on create after selecting the proper location where you would like to store your. And now I will run the fresh project on my simulator. So here you can see this is the fresh output of our project. Now what we have to do, we have to create map view inside that. Okay, so for that I will create one separate class, new file, and I will give the name map view. Click on create. Now here it is. Now I will create the struct with the name map view, and I will extend before that one important thing, import SwiftUI, and then second thing, import mapkit. Okay, these two import you have to do in your project while you are creating map view. After that UI view, and it will be representable, UI view representable. Then over here what you have to take, you have to create couple of function, make UI view, this is one, make coordinator, and update UI view. So these three functions you have to use in your program. Now here we will create the map view. This I will use, and I will remove the sum. Now I will create the map. So let map equal map view. So this is my map view, and I will return the same map. Here it is, and this is also I will take map view. Now here make coordinator, so we have to create the coordinator for that. Now I will take class coordinator, so I will create the class coordinator, and I will extend ns object comma map view delegate, and from here I will use init, and inside the init what I need to pass, map equals type of map view, and here I will take where map view type of map view. I will pass self dot my map view equals map. So this is all done. What it will return, coordinator, and here we will pass self. Okay, now it is almost done. We will check. So it will be MKMapView, and this is also MKMapView. This is also MKMapView because this is the UI view of MKMapView. Now we have to assign some property to the map. Now map dot show user location equal to true, and after that map dot delegate equal to context dot coordinator. Okay, now map dot set user tracking mode, here dot follow with heading and animation true. Now this is all done. Now finally what you need to do, in your content view we have to access this map view function, map view class. So from here inside body I will remove this, and I will call map view class. From here if you resume, then you can see the output. So here is your map view will appear. Now run the application, and from here feature location, set the Apple location, it is already set. Now what you need to do, it's a very simple step. We will use the map delegate function. Okay, so map did update, location did update. This is the function which will appear when the location will trigger to the map. So I will print location updated. Now I will run again and I will see the output. So location updated is working, but what is the problem? Why location is not coming? We have to set the some parameter into our info p list. So open your main info list and open as you know we have to add the permission for the location. So open as source code and add permission over here. Now save your info p list. Now we will create one location manager for accessing the permission. So let manager equal to cl location manager, and here we will set some property manager dot accuracy authorization dot best manager dot, and we can give, and after that self dot manager dot request always authorization self dot manager dot request when in use authorization. Okay, after that I will run, and what is saying that desire accuracy, sorry, it will be like that, and after that run your application. Hopefully it will ask for the permission. Here you can see, and allow while using the application. So if we allow, then you can see the location update trigger automatically, and if you zoom out, then you can see here it is showing Apple location, because from here we set the Apple location. Okay, now I will zoom on the map on the current location. How we can do that? First of all, we have to calculate the region. So let's calculate the region. So here you can see this is the region with MK coordinate region. Center we are passing the user dot coordinate and span 0.01 and 0.01. Now UI view dot animate with duration, and here I will give 0.1, and inside that we will set the region on the basis of marker. Okay, so map view dot set region with animation, and region will be this and animation will be true. So now I will see the output, how it will looks like. Here you can see if I run my application, then you can see the focus on the event. Okay, now if I turn this location to the means drive, free drive, okay, then you can see this is my current location and it will automatically start moving. Now just wait for a second, and here you can see it will start moving and it will give the result over here, but it's stuck seems like. So if I increase that with 1, then you can see the proper response coming out. Now here you can see the animation is also very smooth and the user is moving. So that's all for today tutorial. If you have any doubt to the complete video tutorial, then please comment it to the comment box, and in the next video tutorial I will tell you how we can update this location to Firebase and how we can listen that location on other device. Okay, so please subscribe this YouTube channel and keep boosting your skills. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye.